If you're working with several marketing tools, if you're trying to do advertising on different platforms for traffic sources such as Google, LinkedIn, X, and so on, you would probably be using a lot of JavaScripts. All of these JavaScripts have to be loaded on your site. Now, if you were using WordPress, for your reference, I'm using WordPress here, and the theme I'm using is Divi. You can get yourself a copy of Divi at pestprofits.com/Divi. Within Divi, on the left side panel, on theme options, you'll find a place where you can add all of these JavaScript codes. Now, if you were using Divi or any other theme for that matter, all of these scripts will be added. Tends to slow your website down. It's also difficult to manage these scripts if you ever had to delete one. As an example, on my website right now, at the bottom right corner, there is a little chat widget which was from Drift. If I want to remove it, normally you would have to go to your theme options, you go to the theme file editor, find where that script was and delete it. Or in this case, if you're using Divi, you will find it in theme options and you would have added it either to the head of your website or to the body of your website. Depending on where you added it, you would have to go look for that particular script and remove it. It can tend to get a messy affair when you have a lot of scripts going on. Cleaner version and a better version to do it is to add just one script for Google Tag Manager. Sign up for Google Tag Manager at tagmanager.google.com. When you do that, Tag Manager itself gives you a script that you would have to add on your site, and this is only one script that you will add. That script has two parts to it. So one you will add to the head section of your website, and the other you will add to the body section of your website, as you can see on the screen. And when you do that, get to Google Tag Manager. If you haven't created an account, you have to create an account to get that script in the first place. And here, when you create an account, you would give a container, and within that container you have tags and variables that you set. So when you create a container, this is how it might look like. For each business or brand you manage, you will have different containers, and we will get to this particular container here. On the left side panel, you will have tags, variables, and triggers. If you click on tags, you'll get to see all of the tags that are currently active on my website. So let's assume that you don't want to use MailerLite forms anymore, and you don't want to use the FOMO script. These two are two different tools. One is a marketing platform, the other one is a small widget that you would add to your website. So let's say you wanted to delete these. Click on these check boxes you want to delete, go to the top right corner and click on this delete icon here, and both of those will be deleted for you. Those scripts will go away and your website will work without those scripts from that point on. There are several other videos that I've created on Google Tag Manager that you can take a look at in the links in the description below. If you like this video, please do like and share it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please do let me know. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.